I think people should eat cauliflower because not only is it readily available, it is super nutritious. Cauliflower is a superfood. It's got so many health benefits. It's got antioxidants. It's low in carbs. There's so many different ways to cook it. But there's also another really cool thing about cauliflower. It has fractals, little geometrical shapes, pretty much math. Not all of us love math, but when math is involved in veggies, it kind of makes it a vegetable that's not boring. My name is Zach Nichols. I'm a third-generation farmer. We specialize in cauliflower. On our farm, 2 peas in a pod. We have been farming here in the central coast of California in beautiful San Luis Obispo for 37 years now. We started in 1985. Cauliflower is in the Brassica family, but we also refer to it as cruciferous. We are not considered an organic farm, but I would consider us as a sustainable farm. We use practices on both sides of the spectrum, and the most important thing is we leave our carbon footprint to a minimal. We picked cauliflower because our soil is perfect for it. It's super heavy, it retains nutrients very, very well. The more healthy the soil, the more healthy the plant. Cauliflower gets more health benefits, it becomes more of a superfood when it gets cold. So what we have here is Romanesco. It's got a lot of fractals. Not only is it super psychedelic and fun to look at, it's a really good specimen of when a cold spell comes in and creates anthocyanin. Anthocyanin is one of the main antioxidants sought after for a superfood group. If you look closely, you can see all these little purple kisses, which gives it more antioxidants than almost any vegetable can have. Cauliflower not only being high in antioxidants, it's low in carbs, and it is super low in calories. It also has choline, which is really good for neurotransmission in the brain and also in inflammation. It's super high in vitamin C. It has a lot of vitamin K, potassium, phosphorus, manganese, vitamin B6, zinc, magnesium, and micronutrients that really help you to stay strong and healthy. The process of growing cauliflower is pretty short. From seed, it's about 80 to 120 days, depending on the variety, time of season. Harvesting cauliflower is actually the most fun part of the cauliflower experience. You get to use a knife. This is called a harvesting knife. When harvesting cauliflower, sometimes people want small little golf ball size ones, sometimes they want giant ones, sometimes they want the average store-bought one, or even sometimes they want the flowery ones. It really depends on what dish they have in mind or what masterpiece they want to make. So we are just a small operation here at 2 Peas in a Pod, and we only do farmers markets. A really important thing that people don't realize about buying from farmers markets is that we pick fresh. When you go to the store and you get a cauliflower, who knows when it's picked, who knows if it's got wax on the outside to make it last longer, who knows what's on it, to be honest. If I pick cauliflower on a Thursday, it should easily last 2 weeks in the fridge. It could get wilty, but that will not affect the nutritional value. It'll just make it look funny. The cool thing about cauliflower is that it's super versatile in the kitchen. You can either make cauliflower steaks, you can make cauliflower mash, you can make cauliflower soup, you can make cauliflower hummus. You can do what I do and throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on what crispiness you want. I think cauliflower is a superfood. It's got so many health benefits and just has so many different ways to cook it. So it could be one of your main tools for keeping that body in check. And I think that's really cool.